Alright my people, so I don't carry another update carry come. Today I want make we talk about two different updates. Now the first update we go talk about Movyra, and I go mention the second update later. If it is me for the first time, my name is Solomon and I talk about different side also. If you want collect update for my side, make sure you like the video, share the video, subscribe so that if I drop new update they go notify you and now you go be the first person to come check them out. I want to talk about these two different updates what I don't they use, and I don't they hear some complaint and I don't they hear some praises. So I just want make we go through these updates, make we see what in then they all about and how then they go so far, because I don't they use them. Now this one will be financial advice, me and be financial advisor. This one will be tutorial, this one a review according to can do. If you want to watch my tutorial, make sure you check my hidden account for my tutorial. This one a review I can't do, no be tutorial be this, na just review. Okay, waiting be Movyra and how the platform they go. Well, Movyra na platform where you come back and talk say if you use their platform, make it they complete all the sponsor posts, all these WhatsApp posts, or this make you listen to music, make you do plenty things like that, then get plenty features. Say you go they collect their coin, then this coin it also if you come out them only once in a month. Now then say they get affiliate program, then get data and airtime if you buy data and airtime. So me I can't talk about them, I can't start to use them. I tell you I say as a thing they go I go let you know. But recently plenty people can't they message me where in fact person even talk say go return my small thing, I put something for the platform, I know see things like that. Why? Because the platform don't come they get payment issues. Even if you put small something, you know go see for your dashboard, and if you get small something for your account and you won't come out them, you know go fee come out them. Even myself I no fee come out my small something, and 20 something is almost here where then talk say people go withdraw. So we don't know whether the update na so go take go abi then go resolve this particular issue. I just say my account update to now because I know say na so this particular update they go for now, so that in case you been get mind to talk say okay make I jump enter this thing, make you just know say make you calm down for now. So this particular update they people they complain well, and one thing I know like now when my people they complain about something where I drop, I know like I talk to one of their customer service, they tell me say then they work on the stuff. So me all of us wait, if they work on the stuff then the thing come make sense later, then we go try them again. Now another update I want to talk about today, now this one where they call Hifami. Now that app I can't talk about where they talk say if you play games, if you they chat with people, make it they chat with their community, so they get plenty things, they get affiliate program, they get plenty things, you understand? And see go they call it, they talk say if you do virtual farming, make it they call it all those kind of things. I come here, I talk about them, I share my opinion. In fact, I even do tutorial keep for my hidden account, all those kind of things like that. Now how the Hifami they go? Well, you don't say I know use Hifami because it get plenty of the wages they come out. I don't get over 90,000 gem for this particular Hifami update, and my target now 100,000 gem. 100,000 gem will give you 75k for naira. Now make me the target 100,000 gem, but I get over 90k gem like this. It remain only 10,000 to hit 100,000. So now make me just the hold on for now, so that until I reach I'll come do another video about this particular update. But Hifami now update where I don't come out small something 3 times for the update, and sometimes it take like 1 week before you receive your small thing if you come out small thing for this particular update them. So far the update makes sense, it they okay. Some people they use them, some people know they use them, some people like them, some people don't like them. So it depends on your preference. But if you be person where they find up the way, you know go put anything, but you go they call it Hifami is not for you, because Hifami they go toss me can go they buy their VIP, all those their premium features and things like that. So if you define completely free update, Hifami is not for you. So waiting be some of the pros and cons. The first pro be say if you come out your small team for your OP. Another pro be say if you use them very easily, they're very easy to understand if you come through the platform every single time. Another pro can be say they get plenty features for the update and so on and so forth. What be some of the cons? You know go earn plenty something from the things then way they do. The only thing will give you plenty coin for this update now the affiliate program. The only thing wey will give you plenty gem for this update na the affiliate program. If not, those other stuff go give you gems so, but e no go too plenty like that, you understand. Another con be say withdraw dey take time, like 1 week before you see am and all those kind things like that. So all these platforms, they get their pros and cons. Now for you to identify these pros and cons, if I wan vote Movyra from 1 to 10, I wan give am my ratings, I fit give them 4/10. If I wan rate Hifami for 1 to 10, Hifami 1 to 10, I fit give them, make I just give them 5/10. You understand? Hifami 5/10, Movyra 4/10. These two updates, now I just see my con highlight to na this one na highlight. I just can highlight to na how these two updates then go. How you see these updates, how you they use them, waiting and waiting they go on for your area when it comes to these two updates. You don't they use that other one, how the stuff they stuff make sense for your side, I be no make sense. Don't forget to follow me for my seeding account. Follow me for my seeding account. Follow me so that if I drop anything, you go see I'm there.